Welcome to BrotherlyACT, the app built for you. Here, life skills, coaching, mental health support, and empowerment come together in one seamless experience. First up, let's start with the look and feel. Whether you prefer light mode or dark mode, BrotherlyACT gives you the power over your screen vibe, day or night. To get the best from the app, your journey will begin with a short series of 5-minute videos. Every video is important and must be completed to unlock the full power of the app. These videos deliver the tools to understand yourself, build resilience, and navigate life's stressors. Feeling off or on top of the world? Log your emotions using our mood tracker because checking in with yourself matters. Then explore the My Resources feature, a carefully curated directory that connects you to over 100 services nearby, whether it's mental health support, parenting guidance, legal aid, job help, or something else entirely. In the My Level Up zone, take charge of your growth. Set SMART goals, try a Mindfulness 101 exercise, and complete your personalized Safety First feature. It even helps you understand your risk of violence, substance use, or mental health challenges. Brotherly Chat is where the real talk happens. Drop it to group discussions, share wins, or just vibe with others walking a similar path. Got questions? Meet DEVON the chatbot, your 24/7 chatbot who's always here to listen, inform, and guide. Safety is not an afterthought. It is built in. You can hit the quick exit button anytime to leave the app instantly. Do not use your real name in the app and rest easy knowing trained support staff monitor the platform 24/7. BrotherlyACT is not a crisis app, so if you are in crisis, please dial 911. Your safety and privacy come first. The app is completely confidential and secure. We do not collect or store your personal data, so you don't ever have to worry about anyone using your information. This is more than an app. It's a movement. Your story, your safety, your growth, BrotherlyACT is here for all of it.